Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you something different. Not just how to use Google Gemini's image editor, the one nicknamed Nano Banana, but how to use ChatGPT as your personal prompt engineer. This combo unlocks the most advanced, viral-ready edits possible. We'll cover the do's and don'ts of prompt writing, viral photo strategies, and real examples of how ChatGPT can generate hyper-detailed prompts that Nano Banana understands perfectly. By the end, you'll know how to craft prompts that feel like professional art direction, not trial and error. Gemini Nano Banana is powerful, but it's conversational. That means vague prompts give vague results. The secret sauce: pair it with ChatGPT. Instead of typing "make background night city," ChatGPT can expand that into replace the background with a neon-lit Tokyo street at midnight, reflections on wet asphalt, soft rain haze, cinematic depth of field, subject lit with teal and orange rim light, ultra-realistic. That extra detail makes the model work harder for you, and that's how you get viral, scroll-stopping photos. Here's the golden formula you can feed ChatGPT. Subject plus action plus scene plus lighting plus camera angle plus style, emotion. So instead of typing a lazy one-liner, tell ChatGPT, write me a Nano Banana photo prompt of a woman in a yellow dress walking in the rain. Make it cinematic, high detail, trending Instagram style. ChatGPT will expand it into a full paragraph, with framing, color tones, lighting directions, even lens choices that Gemini can interpret beautifully. Be specific with sensory detail. Mention light type, reflections, mood, atmosphere. Use real photography language. Words like 35mm lens, shallow depth of field, golden or glow. Nano Banana recognizes camera-style cues. Give emotional context: lonely, celebratory, nostalgic. This guides composition. Iterate. ChatGPT can generate 5 variations on the same idea, then you test which one Gemini interprets best. Use negative prompts. Ask ChatGPT to add things like exclude cartoonish textures, no blur, no overexposed highlights. Don't be vague. Make it cool doesn't work. Don't overload with contradictions. Realistic cartoon hyper-minimal detailed confuses the model. Don't ignore perspective. Always anchor the camera angle overhead, eye level, low angle. Don't spam hashtags inside prompts. Keep them clean, descriptive text only. Don't ask for restricted content. Watermarks removed, deepfake celebrities, or unsafe edits, Gemini won't process them. Now, how do you make photos go viral? Here's where ChatGPT is gold. Novelty plus familiarity. Viral photos combine something strange with something relatable. Example prompt: an astronaut eating ramen in a tiny Manila street carinderia, neon glow, cinematic realism. Hidden storytelling. Images that look like they have a backstory perform best. Example: a lone violinist playing in a subway flooded ankle-deep with water. Spotlight overhead, haunting but beautiful. Symbolism plus metaphor. Photos with layers of meaning make people comment. Example: a cracked hourglass leaking sand that turns into butterflies midair. Macro close-up, warm light. Ask ChatGPT to generate these kinds of prompts in sets of 5 or 10. Then run them through Nano Banana until you hit something unique. Here's how to push ChatGPT further. Multi-pass expansion. Start with a short idea like girl in library. Tell ChatGPT, expand this into a full cinematic Nano Banana prompt, 100 words with lighting, mood, camera lens, and texture. Role prompting. Ask ChatGPT to act as a professional photographer, an art director, or even a surreal painter. This shifts the style of the prompt. Prompt layering. Combine multiple creative directions. Example: generate a base photo prompt, then generate a surreal variation, then merge them into one final prompt for Nano Banana. Batch prompts for testing. Have ChatGPT output 10 variations of the same idea so you can batch upload and see which one Gemini executes best. Don't settle for one and done. Here's the loop. Idea gives ChatGPT prompt expansion. Upload gives Gemini Nano Banana generates results. Review gives take the best one. Feedback gives go back to ChatGPT and say, rewrite this prompt but with colder lighting and more dramatic shadow play. Repeat until viral level polish. This loop turns ChatGPT into your creative director with Nano Banana as your camera. Viral accounts don't just post random one-offs. They build series. Ask ChatGPT, give me 5 interconnected Nano Banana prompts that tell a story in sequence. For example, a story arc about time, a cracked clock in snow, a child holding glowing sand, a desert filled with mirrors, and so on. Run them all, post as a series, and watch engagement multiply. Always add emotional language. Joy, loss, mystery. Always specify camera POV. Always ensure realistic textures to avoid uncanny looks. Always think, would this stop someone mid-scroll? So that's how you combine ChatGPT and Gemini Nano Banana to master advanced prompting. Use this two-tool system to generate unique, viral-ready images consistently, without the frustration of weak prompts. If you want, I can create a downloadable prompt blueprint you can copy-paste into ChatGPT to generate endless Gemini-ready prompts. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.